Welcome to the JVLA tutorial on how to send messages using Moodle Messaging. To begin, you'll want to start by going to the course page that you would like to send students messages from. Look at the left-hand corner of your course where you will see the box Navigation. Within Navigation, you'll simply want to select Participants. Once you've selected Participants, this screen will show up. It will tell you the course that you're currently selecting participants to send messages from, the user list, which simply shares basic information about the users, and which participants. Do you want students or the TA? In this case, we'll just continue with all participants, but if I wanted just students, then I would select just the students. Here my participants would be listed alphabetically. Since I am the only student listed in this course, I'll just select myself. If I had a long list of students and I didn't want to individually select each one, then I could easily select all, and all students' names would be selected. Then, with selected users, I simply want to send a message. And this message screen shows up. Now it's still thinking about it, so my editing tools will show up momentarily, so I will wait until they do. Once my editing tools have shown up, I can begin typing my message. So I've typed a simple message. Hello class. Welcome to this course. I am your teacher and I look forward to working with you this semester. I could easily do what I do with any other text field and bold or underline information, space it out, etc. Please let me know if you have any questions. Sincerely, Mrs. Mendez. And here again, as you can see, if I chose, I could add a picture, I could insert an emoticon, I could insert Moodle media, such as a link to a video, audio, etc. Mainly just using the URL, however. Remember, we cannot attach documents at this time in Moodle messaging. So this is my basic message. Now that I've typed it in, I'm going to select Preview, and my message shows up. I'll proofread it. Yep, that's exactly what I want. And if I wanted to make any changes, I could simply select Update, and it would take me back to the preview page, or I can select Send Message. And it takes a moment to think about it. And selected users have been messaged, and the recipient list has been reset. So then if I wanted to send another message to another group of students for whatever reason, I could simply go back to participants list, and I could repeat the same steps. Now, as I mentioned in the original Parts, Functions, and Connections tutorial, there are other ways that you can message students. The navigation block is one. You could easily turn editing on, and then you could add a block. And if you add the messages block, then also, once you see that, if you add the messages block, then you can see here, you can select messages. This will take you to a slightly different page where your contacts list comes up, message navigation, and you can select which courses you want to have your have your participants show up in. So sample, and those participants from those different courses would show up. So that's one way. If I go back to my course, I can also then add the people block. And once I find my people block, then I can select participants. And the same screen from before shows up, and I would repeat the steps. Select all, send a message, and my message body would show up. So those are the 3 simple ways that you can send a message to an individual or to a group of students or users. Any questions, please feel free to email me or post them in the general questions forum. Thanks for watching.